Good day and welcome to another video of Jaguar E Type tools. Today I'm showing the Jaguar E Type Series 3 72 tool roll, and this is what I found and consider as most original. Only sad thing is there's two pieces missing, which you will see later. And here's the content. It is a point setter. Again, this is the gap, and this is the screwdriver. The feeler gauge, the tire valve removal tool. Then you have the later Jaguar pressure gauge, which has the scale in kilogram per square centimeter. So that is about mid to late 72. Then we have the pliers. This one says there were various editions. This one says this one only says Sheffield, England. It has some numbers. I don't know what they are for, but it is Sheffield, England, and that is correct for the later 72. Then we have only 3 of the 4 open-handed spanners. One got lost. Don't know, might have used it, can't find it back. Didn't know it would be of interest one day, but shame more. I took it out for a picture to compare. So this is Heiko, it's a German manufacturer, and this is how they are. Sadly, one size is missing. Then we have the removal tool for the wheel hubcaps, and very important is this spark plug tool. So this is in there, and then you remove the spark plug, and I think it is very hard to get down to the spark plugs on the V12. So this is a tool you really need to have. There's a screwdriver missing, which is a yellow one with a reversible spade and both sides, so straight and Phillips. But this is what I have at the moment. I will try to sort the two missing parts, and then I will come back to you. Many thanks.